magnetic field due to a current carrying conductor. Today we discuss magnetic field created across a conductor. How to magnetic field create across a conductor? First of all, we draw the figure. First, we taking a cardboard, that is cardboard. The conductor is passing into the cardboard and a battery is connected here. The current is flowing in this direction. The direction of current and then its direction. When the current is carrying in this conductor, here a magnetic field are showing in this direction. So we know that whenever a current carrying conductor that produce a magnetic field in a particular direction. The definition: when an electric current flow through a conductor or wire. Conductor or wire, that is same things. A magnetic field is built up around the conductor. We take a cardboard and the conductor is crossing in the cardboard. When the current is passes into the conductor, a magnetic field is created, shown here. Next, the magnetic flux created across a conductor have a particular direction. So how to decide it? The direction of magnetic flux across the wire, around the wire. that is magnetic field created magnetic field created across the conductor, that is conductor or that is conductor, magnetic field created across. A compass needle is taken. Suppose that this is the compass needle, that direction south and north. The north pole compass needle indicates the direction of magnetic field around the wire. So the compass needle direction north pole N is this direction, so the direction of magnetic field is this direction. That time the conductor is flowing toward the observer. Suppose this is the conductor, and current flowing through the observer. And suppose a compass needle is taken here and the north direction is here, so the magnetic field direction is here. That time the current flowing toward the observer, that is the current flowing toward the observer, that is downwards. This phenomena is called dot cross method. Dot cross method of indicating flux direction. Flux direction. North pole of compass needle indicate the direction of flux. North pole indicate the direction of flux. Next is right hand rule for finding the direction of current and direction of fields. We take a conductor. The conductor, suppose this is a conductor and that is right hand rule, so we case from right hands. So the direction of thumb indicating current, and the finger, that finger indicates the direction of field, the magnetic field or flux. So right hand rule to find that direction of current and direction of field. By the right hand rule, thumb indicating direction of current and fingers indicating direction of field. So this phenomena is known as right hand rule or right hand screw rule. Next, force on a conductor carrying force on a current carrying conductor laying in a magnetic field. When a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, suppose that is North Pole and that is South Pole. The magnetic field is getting here. So when a current carrying conductor is placed here, suppose that is a conductor and the current flowing through inward or outward. That time what happened to the conductor? So the current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, a force is created here. So the figure is North Pole and South Pole. So a conductor is placed here. So the figure is look like this. Force, or that is field. Field, that is magnetic field. And then North Pole and South Pole. So a conductor is placed here and look like this. And force is here. Force is here. So when a conductor is placed in magnetic field, a force is created. The force is equal to B into I into L newtons. That is called Beale newtons. B is the magnetic flux density, I is the current, L is the length, and B is equal to mu naught mu r h. इसलिए F is equal to mu naught mu r h I L Newton, where F is equal to force developed in a conductor, a B is equal to flux density Weber per meter square, I is equal to current in conductor in ampere, L is equal to length of conductor, length of conductor, and mu naught is equal to absolute permeability. Absolute permeability, mu r is equal to relative permeability, and S is equal to magnetizing force. Magnetizing force. Next, force between parallel conductor. This is the two parallel conductor, conductor A and conductor B. The distance between them is D, and D distance apart, and length of the conductor is L. That is the length of the conductor. The current is flowing, conductor A is I1, and the current I2 into the D conductor. So what is the force between them? Force is equal to mu naught I1 I2 L upon 2 pi d Newton. Where F is equal to force between two conductor A and conductor B, I1 and I2 current flowing through conductor A and B. L is equal to length of each conductor. D is equal to distance between conductor. If L is equal to D is equal to 1 meter, I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 1 ampere, then force will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton.